Economists are closely watching this week to get a sense of whether the U.S. is facing a recession.
The Fed expected to raise interest rates again tomorrow, which would fight inflation but risk a recession. So now's the time for a personal review. Jen Sullivan has more.
As recession fears rise, economists are weighing in on if and when a recession could happen.
Recession risks are high and rising, probably pretty close to even over the next year or two.
Downturn or not, experts say now is the best time to look at your finances and create a recession-proof plan.
Whether the economy is going up or going down, it's really important for all of us to have a really strong financial background.
Financial expert Julie Alma-Taveras recommends calculating your survival number, the most pared back amount that you need to survive each month.
That's going to include housing. It's going to include basic food and groceries, not a lot of dining out. It's going to include your health insurance and medical needs.
And use that amount as a target for tip number 2. Ramp up your savings. Bulk up your emergency fund and cushion your budget. Number 3, review your portfolio for winners and losers.
You want to protect all the assets that you have. So the cash that you have, your investment accounts, your properties.
And number 4, watch your debt. Not only are rates going up, but economists say owing too much hurts your credit score and your ability to get a loan.
If you lose your job or you get your hours cut back, your pay cut, then it's going to make it harder to service that debt, pay on that debt.
And finally, if you're unfortunately laid off, get familiar with your severance package, apply for benefits, and look ahead.
You want to become BFFs with your resume.
For today's Consumer Watch, I'm Jen Sullivan.